What's going on YouTube? Today we are going to install the Xprite grab handles in our Jeep Rubicon. We're going to do a quick unboxing and then get to the install. It's going to be real simple. Inside the box we have the Xprite. We're going to do red grab bar handles for the Jeep Wrangler JKs. Inside the box I just bought the front grab handle kits only. They do make a rear grab handle kit as well. You can buy it all in package, but the front handles only are about $20 plus tax. So we got the two grab handles, we got some of the mounting hardware, we got an Allen screw and the other bolts to put it in, and then typical with Xprite, we have great installation instructions here. So to do the install, we are going to remove the factory hardware. So there's the two holes here. We're going to remove the top one, and then there's the two bolts up here. We're going to remove the one closest to the door. So to do that, we're going to either use a 13mm or a 1/2 inch socket. So we're going to take our handle. Inside the set, there's going to be a long set and a short set. Then the hardware as well, we're going to have a long and short. So the short with the short, long with the long. The long set's going to go through the side portion. The short one is going to go through the one that goes to the top. So everything's going to piece together like this, and the kit does come with an Allen key. So we'll start the side screw first. Once we get that started, we can get the top threaded in, and we'll feed it up to the top here. So once you start getting it in finger tight, then you can use the Allen key to screw it the rest of the way in. So as you're doing this, these bracket pieces, they do have a half circle cutout on them. Just make sure that those are lined up with the bar so everything sits flush. Okay, once you got everything tightened down, you can confirm everything's sturdy, and this is a really strong handle. It is actually really nice that if you have a lifted Jeep, it is something that you can use to climb in by grabbing this and pulling yourself in, rather than this grab handle that is up here by your head. So I kind of like the red finish, matches the Jeep that we're in. And also when you're wheeling, if the Jeep starts tumbling or getting tippy, people tend to put their arms out the window to try and catch themselves for some reason. Kind of feel with a bright red handle and something right here, if there was an emergency, you would grab that instead. So there's the installation of the Xprite grab handle.